What is safe school? Safe education. It's when students, teachers, and staff feel secure, supported, and protected. It's a place where everyone can focus on teaching and learning without fear of harm or discrimination. Here are the key ideas of safe school, safe education. 1. 2. Emotional and psychological safety. Respectful relationships between teachers and students, anti-bullying programs, counseling support, and encouragement of mental health awareness. It's important because students learn better when they feel safe and supported. Teachers can teach more effectively when they don't have to worry about fear or stress. It builds trust among parents, students, and the school community. Because when schools are safe, everyone wins. Slogans. Safe schools build bright futures. Education grows where safety flows. No safety, no learning. Yes safety, yes learning.